Hello parents, welcome back to Kids A to Z. Today I am going to share some English worksheets for UKG kids. This is fourth part of this English worksheet series. Here in this worksheet, kids need to fill the blanks with the vowels to make words like d-a-g dog, then k-a-t cat, l-a-g log, like that. They need to fill all the blanks and make new words. Here are the answers. In this worksheet, some patterns are given like checks, stripes and dots. Now, kids need to draw these patterns so that they can know the name of these patterns. In this worksheet, kids need to write the names of these pictures like bag, mug, net, tub, tap, bun, box, bed, like that. In this worksheet, at first, kids need to match the left column with the middle column to make a word, and then after that they need to match the word with the picture. Like for the first one, KI is given. Now they need to match KI with TE. So that is a new word, KITE, kite. Now they need to match it with the picture. Similarly, they need to match LO with CK and then lock with the picture. Similarly, LI with AF, then star, then ball, fish and tree. Here in this worksheet, beside every picture, what is this is given. Kids need to identify the picture and then need to write the answer. Like for the first one, they need to write, this is a rat. Then for the second one, they need to write, this is a bun. Then for the third one, this is a cot. And the last one, this is a bib. Here in this worksheet, kids need to write answers in yes or no. Like, is this a box? Here at first, kids need to identify the picture. If it is a box, then they need to write yes. Then for the second one, is this a pen? And they need to identify the picture. The answer is no. Similarly, see all the answers. Is this a pen? Yes. Is this a log? Yes. Is this a bus? No. Is this a cap? No. Like that. Here in the blanks, kids need to write in or on. Like for the first one, a cat on a mat, a pen in a cup, a man on a bed, a pig in a tin, a hen on a net, in a hut. Here in this worksheet, kids need to match the colors with its name. From UKG, they need to start practice of memorizing the spellings of small words like 2-letter, 3-letter or 4-letter words. That's all for now. Thanks for watching Kids A to Z.